Hey guys, I'm going to talk a little bit about Classroom IQ's Auto Grader. It's one of the nice features of Classroom IQ, and it does pretty much what you would assume, and setting it up is not difficult, but it's helpful to know a little bit about how it works. The Auto Grader uses optical character recognition technology to help grade tests faster. Your first step is to upload your key. When you do that, make sure that the correct answer is in a very specific place on your test. The Auto Grader will recognize where to scan, recognize the symbols, and then once you upload your student work, it's going to look in that exact same place for the answer. If it recognizes the student's answer as an exact match, it will give full points once you tell it how many points to give. If a student's answer is not an exact match, Auto Grader will not recognize it and leave it for you to look at later on. If a student has the correct answer, but it's not in the correct place, again, Auto Grader will not recognize it and leave it for you to look at later on. But as long as the student has the correct answer in the correct place, Auto Grader recognizes it and gives it full points. So what sorts of questions work really well with the Auto Grader? Simple, predictable answers. Any specific set of symbols in a specific order. And setting it up really could not be easier. When you log into Classroom IQ and create a new assignment, you are asked if you'd like to submit for AutoGrade. If you click yes, it reminds you that the key has to be the first thing Classroom IQ sees. You can upload the key separately, or it can be the first pages of your upload. It just has to be the first thing Classroom IQ sees. There are a few other questions about when you want it done, and that's it. You wait. The next time you log into Classroom IQ, you will see results for all the problems the Auto Grader recognizes correct. You might think about changing the settings to turn the auto advance off if you want to review the work Classroom IQ did, but you'll find it does a pretty good job. So now the question is, what are you going to do with all that extra time? Thanks for watching. I hope you use it. Good luck.